I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
The other day I made a beef brisket, and I have a lot of leftovers. So today I'm making queso, specifically brisket queso. This is going to be so good. This is incredibly easy to make. You start by just chopping up about a half a pound of lean brisket. And then just saute that in a little bit of oil until it's nicely browned. Set that aside and then saute some onion. Want this nice and soft, and then I'm going to add a little bit of heavy cream just to make a base so the cheese doesn't stick to the pan. Then comes a whole pound of white American that I just diced into about half-inch pieces. Once this begins to melt, you want to stir this fairly frequently or it will burn on the bottom. This looks so good. Now that the cheese is melted, it's time to add the rest of the heavy cream and just stir until it's well incorporated. Then spoon in the pico de gallo. This is going to give it some texture and a little kick. Once the pico is well incorporated, add a little bit of lime juice and just stir to combine. We are almost done. All you have to do now is put it in a serving bowl, top it with some of that wonderful brisket that you seared and a little cilantro, and serve it with some fresh, hot chips. That's Texas-style brisket queso. This is so easy and so good. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.